Step-by-step guide for the stepper incline plank push-up. Hands elevated, feet on floor. Setup 1. Place a stepper, low bench, or sturdy box about 10 inches high in front of you. 2. Put your hands shoulder width apart on the stepper. 3. Walk your feet back so they stay flat on the floor. Body in a straight line from head to heels. 4. Engage your core, glutes, and thighs. This is your plank position. 5. Keep your neck neutral, eyes looking slightly ahead of your hands. Movement. 1. Inhale as you slowly bend your elbows, lowering your chest toward the stepper. 2. Keep elbows at about a 30-45 degree angle from your body, not flared wide. 3. Lower until your chest is close to the stepper. 4. Exhale and push through your palms to return to the starting plank position. 5. Fully extend your arms without locking your elbows. Form tips. Maintain a straight plank. No sagging hips or raised hips. Keep your shoulders stacked over your wrists. Move in a controlled tempo. 2 seconds down, 1 second up. Brace your core as if someone is about to tap your stomach. Muscles worked. Chest, pectorals. Shoulders, front deltoids. Triceps. Core, abs, and lower back. Glutes and legs for stability. Progressions and variations. Easier. Raise hands higher, 12-18 inches. Harder. Lower the stepper height or add a 1 to 2 second pause at the bottom. Advanced. Alternate shoulder taps at the top. Explosive. Incline plyo push-ups. Only if shoulders are strong. Reps and sets. Beginners, 8-12 reps, x 2-3 sets. Intermediate, 12-20 reps, x 3-4 sets. HIIT style, 30-45 seconds on, 15 seconds rest. Thanks for watching.